to the north?
Nope, nothing.
What's that?
Those pigs
Are gonna pay.
Blue line, official business.
Of course, anything for you, Red.
A little bit higher. Oh yeah, you ready, bigger guy?
No, please, don't.
Leonard?
Got him!
Hey, Leonard!
What the heck is that? And where did it... Another success... Is it a head? What is that? OXO? Oh, nice try, piggies. News...
I got it!
I mean, who else was getting really tired of all the constant breaking and retaliation?
Me? This? Of course they need us.
Red.
Huh?
Come here, hon.
Are your eggs? Yeah, and there's nothing you can do about it, Red. No, I keep doing that. Borrowing my sisters for a minute. You're gonna be crying in a second when I kick your butts and take all your...
I'm coming.
Give me the... Oh, that looks cold.
Nibbling on sponge cake on my front porch swing. For my
Go get the stick!
sugar salt.
I can't do this anymore. Okay, Debbie?
Numb.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Well, you better...
Time to move on to the next table where your soulmate just might.
Guess what? You won, because here I am.
No, I'm actually not here for the whole speed dating horror show thing going on.
It's mine.
You know, the flavor can vary.
Your eyebrows.
My eyebrows are fine. This is just the way I look.
It's like you've got your gun. Go!
Toast?
Okay.
You know, protect Bird Island from being attacked, and that's a full-time gig, so, yeah.
Oh,
Talk about them doesn't mean I'm afraid.
Okay, so avoids personal questions. Have fun being alone.
Oh, I will.
Aw,
Look, Red, I know we've had our different... Didn't you get my note? It was on a balloon.
Oh, yeah. Give me one. Nope, nothing. Haven't seen anything. And do you spy on us with that?
Yes.
What we...
That position's been filled. Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
We've got a number 2 at the porta potty.
Whoa, I love it! I'm in! Ding Dong Buddy's the only eagle we know. Well, you've come to the right. You! Okay, so now we just need to figure out how...
I have got just the guy. It's a girl. My SIP 4 grades won a Junior Engineer of the Year award and then got a scholarship here at Avian Academy.
with a combination of over 30 sets. Great question, Mike. Well, how about that it's very easily able... Chuck! Oh, I'm so happy to... It's really... You know this guy? Oh,
No, I just don't think this is gonna work. It's just that I'm not sure you're gonna...
and this has to be bomb.
Whoa! How'd you know that?
Who's that? And why is she all over these achievement awards?
Oh, look how cute this is.
Where's the wheel here? Whoa! Whoa! Unexpected setback curse. I don't get it.
See, this is a
Volcano! Volcano is what my, spin...
Weird, because it looks just like a volcano.
Yep.
I mean, you took him.
Seen her before in my life. Who is that? I don't know.
Weapon.
Got it.
Yeah.
And step I explained everything. It's a foolproof plan.
Yeah. How do we sneak onto the island? Map?
What? No, there's no map.
Hey, guys!
Run!
We knocked the top right out for that! Glenn, you didn't mess it up this time!
Wow, that was crazy.
Could have all died.
Thanks for saving our lives!
Air pants!
Oh, my mountain!
Oh my god.
I want y'all to take all of those ice balls and fill them up with the association between the two materials. Okay. Don't you wink at me.
Yeah, even your cute little flute.
Looks like you're gonna be okay.
Thank you. Your support means the world to me.
Whoa, okay.
Anyone want to grab their own bag or anything?
Gary!
It's me. Welcome, mission in mind. The first being Invisispray.
Tina, we're not gonna be able to see each other tonight. Squishy, what is this stuff?
Oh, well, that is a special type of flame. Now, everyone prepare yourselves, because this next one is...
Well, how does it work?
Simply push this button. There it is!
Okay, you got me, guys.
There's an eagle nearby.
This
Goodness.
1 hour after it doesn't detect any more evil.
Running the show, that's totally great and all, but maybe since we're all a team here,
You know, to use all of this awesomeness that you've
Oh, my unborn sister's back. Just the angel. This tomato.
Ground control.
Thanks! We got you. A boa constructor.
Glenn. Okay, you know what? I'm doing that thing again. That thing, you know.
You said?
Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna call my old... What was that you had said to me? Tomorrow. That's what I thought you said.
Turn down for what?
Whoa. What are you talking about?
Zeta!
Who is...
It was many years ago. In the...
I miss you? Oh.
Her.
how could you leave her like...
To do back home!
Thanks for the help. Okay, gang, listen up. This place is crawling.
You drive.
And I want to help you pedal.
Wait, you guys... Yeah, well, it's not gonna work.
We think it's our...
Fine. You know what? I'll just be...
My leggies.
Okay, leggies, show me what...
Live.
Come on, Jerry. You know there's no snacking while we're...
Some reason, but the good news is I made it.
Fuck!
Stuck.
Down. Jerry, are you getting a load of this?
Yeah, I think I am.
Oh. Huh?
Yeah!
Okay, guys, we're in. Come on, let's go.
Yay, you did it! Assuming we don't get electrocuted, there are guards there, and...
Are you crazy?
Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I wanted to be over on that side.
Okay... But
Watch.
You hear something?
Over! What are you doing? Over! Check it out! This is how a hero saves...
You two are coming with me.
I don't know. Chuck, what's your birthday? Nothing's working!
All right, you get started on the lockdown sequence. I'm gonna hit the John.
Yep.
Is that the fighter in the way? I just want to see. Oh, no. She's over in my face. Move over. What?
Take those two and put them on ice.
Thought that maybe if I could...
Stop me. Yeah, you're to fly solo.
I have to save everybody.
Talking about murder?
Debbie! Turn on the TV!
You're insane!
I am putting myself... Excuse me? Are you getting smart with me right now?
Piggy Island!
Oh my God! You all had the chance to evacuate, but for... Not sorry. I'm truly not sorry.
I put myself before everyone else. I was... Yes.
My fellow Eagles! Who's tired of the frozen dinners?
Whoa! Frozen dinners!
Come on, Bob. There's no turning back! The future we deserve!
All right.
We've only got 10 minutes.
It's now or never! Pig kind and bird kind. Huh?
Oh, bring a plume of highly pressurized steam to the surface. That's Chuck. I need you to disable the security cameras. There's a bunch of them, so I need you to pull it all the way down. That will create a ramp so that when Red and I...
Easy, boys.
Yeah? Come here. Look at this.
What's up?
No, not that one. Not over here.
I can see it in your smile.
Fit!
Just suck in your butt!
No one can see me. Light on my Tim sees me. Take him out. So I'm curious.
Well, you know, some of the variables changed. So
Tighten up. You can do this. Out!
Thanks for taking us out, man!
time for Plan X.
Plan X? I thought you said spandex.
Fling it on like that. Okay, I'm gonna get some glitter and decorations. Well, this is gonna be so much fun.
Okay.
The prisoners have escaped.
All right, guys, back.
Great!
Well, it's all downhill from here.
Hang in, everybody! 2 minutes to launch!
Left. Not the time, Courtney. I'm just trying to figure out how we're gonna get up to that lever. It's moving!
Let's just clear these houses from your beachfront view.
Gary, any way you can bring me the gadgets?
Yes! We've reached 65 miles per hour!
Well, guess what? I don't care. Because...
Silence.
You have got some
You're worse to me.
Chuck!
I deserve it.
Coordinated, fish-eyed fool. You ain't worth the salt in your place, and I'm ready to get that upgrade situation going for me. Yeah, I do. And I raised her all by myself in this ice.
You can do it! Hold on to that string!
Where is she? Where's Debbie? Debbie? Done. Oh, Debbie.
Of my life. Wait. I don't want to wait for our lives to be over.
Joined in holy matrimony, but also because one of them tried to destroy our island.
You wrap it up.
I now pronounce you Eagle.
I would like to propose a toast to the bird who made
Bones. Got hollow bones.
Who loves you, Red?
Yeah,
Oh, wow. Okay, well, you know, I'm honored. Everybody, he's through here. Oh, hey, Silver.
Huh?
Everything to me, but I don't deserve it.
Red, I didn't do this all on my own.
Right. Sup? And even Mighty Eagle.
That's so handsome.
Okay, Gary.
We love you even more now, Red! Daddy, get away from the punch bowl, girl!
Okay, worms or birdseed?
Huh?
Kidding.
When you're not too busy saving the world.
You know, I actually just finished doing it.
Huh. No one can stop me. Gosh, I see one. Bye. Boss sights.